Best electric knife reviews. Things have become so advanced that you now don't have to indulge in the tedious process of cutting slices of meats, fruits, vegetables, bread, and other food items with a knife using your force, because electric knives are available on the market. If you are interested in buying an electric knife, then you can check out our list of 5 best electric knife reviews. So, let's start. Number 5. NutriChef Electric Carving Slicer Kitchen Knife. This electric kitchen knife by NutriChef has a safety lock feature that keeps the blade in place to ensure your safety and to avoid injury. The product makes consistent slice without the use of sawing motion or excessive pressure. Comes with a bread blade for bread, cheese, meat loaf, and cake loaves, and a carving blade for carving a turkey, chicken, and roast. Number 4. Grapple, a heavy-duty electric fillet knife. It cuts through fish as if you are slicing butter. You can easily cut through the guts and bones of fish without any effort. Besides fish, you can cut chicken, lamb, pork, and beef as well, which include partially frozen meats too. Number 3. American Angler Pro Electric Fillet Knife. The Pro Series motor boasts 2x more torque than any other heavy-duty EFK, so big bones never slow you down. Advanced airflow design keeps the Pro Series ergonomic handset cool for hours of continuous filleting. Number 2. Black Plus Decker Electric Carving Knife. The stainless steel blade saw rapidly and evenly through meats, breads, craft foam, and more. 7.5 of the blades are serrated with an additional 1.5 tang before the plastic allow for up to 9 of carving. It has comfort grip handle, and the removable blades are dishwasher safe for fast and easy cleanup. Number 1. Cuisinart Electric Knife. This set includes 2 high-quality stainless steel blades, one for carving meat and the other for cutting bread. The butcher block holding tray stores the knives and motor base when not in use. The ergonomically designed handle has a one-touch pressure activated on slash-off trigger and safety lock. The limited 3-year warranty.